Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone, I am Wahid Ali and today we are going to design a drip irrigation system for vegetable. So first of all, we have a 1 acre area and let's suppose we have a field and we have row crops there, and the distance between row to row is dependent upon the crop type. But let's suppose I have vegetables. um, let take it tomato take tomato as a crop. So the distance between the two rows between the tomato, that varies from 1.5 feet to 2.5. So let's suppose we are taking an average. So we will take 2 feet row to row spacing. Okay, and then we have to extend that till the field end. So let's suppose up to here. Let me change its everything. I will cut that area. Now I will take that to the layer 0 layer command, and then I have to bit change its color, etc. So let's suppose I select the color number 8. Now I will change type, and it is not shown dash, so I'm going to properties of this line, and here we have a scale command, so I'm going to enter 10. So still it's not very visible, so I'm going to 20. Okay, it's visible now, but let me enter 30. So it's done now. You can see it is very clearly, right? So this is row of tomato. Then we will use array command to multiply it in all field. So I'm going to use array command, but before that let me draw a line, right? So let's suppose I have an irrigation line going in this direction, right? And let me match the property of that line to irrigation line, which is 2-inch dia UPVC C class, right? So now I will use array command and I will use array path. And which path? The path of my pipe. So you can see now it's going all the way, but we have to enter the distance between the two rows. Be careful, this command is very heavy, so when you apply it, make sure that you have a proper system. And sometimes I have a Core i7 Dell, but sometimes my laptop also going crazy when I'm doing this type of command, right? So now you can see we have rows of tomato plant, and how many of them I have. I am going to use list command. So those are 94 rows. So I am writing it here with me that I have 94 rows of crop, right? And its row length is 189 feet. It's a square plot that I selected, and each side is 189 feet long. Now you can see here 189. Now what you will do, you will need a drip line which will trickle water with this row, with this row, with this row. So you need a same amount of a same size of pipe with all these pipes. So I'm going to use which command I can use. Okay, let me use offset command. Let's try what it's doing. So I select that and I'm going to 0.5 feet, but he's not taking it, you see. So either we go to array command or we go to copy command. These two are the options. But the problem with the array is that I already used array command and it is almost, I filled everything. So if I apply array command, another array command, it will hang out. So let me use the copy command. Okay. So I'm going to place it there. Okay. Oh, first I took it out. Let me change its property. I took it to I will change its color, everything. I'm going to by layer. So these are by layers. So now I will select it. I will copy it. Okay, one thing more. Oh, I will use extend command also, because you can see the gap between the main pipe and this. So I'm going to extend it. Now you can see those are extended. So now I will back that to its original position and I will copy these again. And I'm going to take it from here and I will place it somewhere here. Now you can see everything is clear, So I didn't go for array command again because I know that the system is very heavy at the moment. Now you can see that I am copying the water source. Let's suppose my water source is somewhere here. Wherever it is, it doesn't matter, right? And you have pressure reduced wall there. Here somewhere. Okay. Now you have to check that what is the discharge of this line. So for that you have a drip line like this. This is a built-in drip line and it have different types based on emitter spacing, these dripper spacing. So some of them are closely spaced at 6 inches, some are 8 inches, some are 10 inches, even 12 inches are also available. So let's suppose I have a plant to plant distance 1 foot, 12 inches. So I'm going to so I will select a roll like this, a roll of drip line, and that will be the drippers, the built-in drippers will be at spacing of 12 inch. You can see this line. So this line is closely spaced and it is nearly so you will place it at the same near to your plant and there will be drippers on it, built-in drippers. So let's suppose we have 1 feet spacing between emitters and our emitter discharges 1 LPH, 1 liter per hour, right? 1 LPH is enough, more than enough, because the tomato plant have shallow roots. So 1 LPH is okay. So we have 189 length, multiply by, I'm going to multiply by 1. It's mean we have 189 emitters in this line, drippers in this line. Okay. Now the discharge is also 189 LPH. So I'm writing it here with me that I have per row 189 LPH discharge. Now I have 94 rows as I have already calculated that. So I will multiply that by with 94. So it means 17,766 LPH. Okay, I'm going to convert it to minutes, divided by 60. So 296 liter per minute. Now I'm going to convert that to gallons. So let me divide it by 4. So it means 74 GPM, gallons per minute, right? So now it depends upon you that which size of pump you select. So let me check. So it was 74.6. So I will divide it by 2. So in this way I will have 2 hydrozones and 37.3 gallon will be its discharge. So 2 hydrozones and 37.3 GPM is discharged. So let me now do it here. I will take the center line. So this is the center. So I'm taking, okay, these lines. I'm going to change its color by cyan and I'm going to list it. So 47. Okay. So these lines will be 47. Okay. Now I will use a separate feeder line, main line here, and then I will go and connect to pump. Now you can see this line that will be not connected to pump. Now I am going to use match property command and I will use like this. So that will be my main line, that will be going in this way, this way and this way and this way, and it will feed this line, and then we will put one wall here and one wall there and it will feed this line and that one will feed the other side. So here I have a notation. So my one wall is here and my second wall is there, right? Okay, these are a bit, let me use scale command. So I'm going reference and 10 by 5. So I reduce that their sizes by half. Let me reduce it more. So I'm going to use scale command and I click that area and I'm going to reference or enter. Let's suppose I'm going to divide it by 2. So first I will enter 2 and then I will enter 1. So that's done, right? So I'm going to use move command. So I will use that one here. Select move, and now I will move that one also like this. Now you can see that we have 2 hydrozones, one in blue section, one in green section, and they will go simultaneously one by one. And you know now that we have a discharge of 37.3 gallon. So 37.3 GPM. Right. Now if you want to calculate the BOQ, then what you will do, so I will go to here. I have already the costing of the pipes. So I will go only to this section and I will calculate the pipes. So here I have a pipe of 103 feet length and the other pipe is 187 feet. So 103 plus 180, 87, but let's suppose 89, plus I will keep 20 feet extra. Okay. End cap do you need? Yes, I need 2 end caps of 2-inch dia pipe, one here at this place and one here at this end. So 2 end caps of 2-inch dia. Do you need elbow? Yes, I need 1 elbow here, 1 elbow here up 2-inch dia, and for pressure release valve I need 1 elbow. So 2 elbows. Do you need any T up 2-inch dia? Yes, I need 1 T for the pressure release valve and 1 T for here. So I need 2 T's. Reducing bush 2 by 1.5, no, I don't need, don't need. Ball valve, yes, I need 2, and male adapter, yes, I need 2, 3. So is this 1-inch dia? No, I need 2-inch dia. 2-inch dia, and that is about 400 rupees. Okay, now GTO bush. So yes, I need a GTO bush to connect this drip line to my main line. So, and how it, let me show you a GTO bush. It is like this, but there is a rubber also there. It looks like that, but there is a rubber also. Oh no, this is a joiner. It look like this. So GTO bush, how many lines I have? Those are 94. So I'm going to take 100 pack, 1 pack of 100. Ratchet clamp, do you need? Yes, I need about 100. And wall, do you need or not? So wall is like this. Where is my wall? Like this. This is a wall, and they will be on each line, in case if there is a burst and the pipe is leaked and that type of thing. So I will take 100. So joiner, do you need? Yes, I will keep 20 joiners. Joiner you will need if, let's suppose you are installing the pipe in this way, and this way, and this way, and in between the pipe ended somewhere here, and you want to connect with another piece, then you will use the joiner. So 20 are more than enough. End rings, I will need end ring at each line, drip line end. So those are 96. So I'm going to purchase 100 at this end. You will need end ring at this end, so that the water didn't discharge directly. End ring will look like how it is, like this. Okay, so the drip line will pass through it and then will come back. So it will become a bend there, and the water will be not allowed to pour. If you don't use that one, then you just bend your drip line and just tie it with the wire. So that will also work. Drippers 2 LPH, no, we are using 1 LPH, and that is built in, so I am not going to cost for that one. And here I am using 0.9 mm 16 mm dia drip tube, 500 meter roll it is, but you can go to less mm dia also, that will cost you less. So that is 9 rupees per feet, and I have 94 lines of 189 feet, so it means 17,766 running feet I required that pipe. Now pressure release valve, yes, I need 1. Blade, okay, I take 1. Plaster paste, I don't need. Let's suppose I take 5 kg. Teflon tape, okay, 5. Trenching, that is dependent upon your, here I put 1.5 feet deep buried the pipe, but depends upon the practices of machinery practices, that tillage equipment, etc., and how much deep you wanna go. So cable depend upon your water source and the power source distance, so you have to keep it in mind, that one. So that total cost me 2,26,000 rupees. I put 5% contingency, so it means 2,37,000 rupees. Labor charges will be about 12,000 rupees, and design charges is about 10,000, 15,000, 10,000, 15,000 almost. So grand total is 259. Okay, now the pump size, pump you have selected about 37.3 gallon. So you have to go for bigger dia bore. So you have to go a bore in which 5-inch pipe can fit in. So you will use a 5-inch pipe, and that will cost you another 40,000 rupees for boring, and the pipe will cost you about 20,000 rupees, and plus pump here let me take it 60,000 rupees will cost you the bore and pipe, then the casing pipe. Then you need a pump. So pump of 37.3 gallon per minute it will be almost 3 hours power. So you have to visit this market, but 3 hours power will be enough. So 3 HP pump will cost you about 33,000 rupees in today date, and accessories will be 5,000. Okay, so that is almost 98,000 rupees, another 98,000 rupees. So now you can see 259 plus 98, so that is that will cost you almost 357. Okay, so costing is done and design is done, and you have to just check in that everything is fine. Yes, according to me everything is fine, inshallah. So thank you for watching and listening. Next time we will appear and we will show you that how we can design without using computer or any type of software. So I will sit on a table with a piece of paper and a pencil, and I will write down everything, and you will know that okay, everything is fine. So be prepared for that video. It will be soon available on internet, on YouTube. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.